Dumpster rental service in Alexandria, Indiana. Salty Dog Trash offers a dependable dumpster rental service in Alexandria, Indiana, tailored to homeowners, businesses, and contractors. We understand the importance of having a reliable and timely cleanup, renovation, or debris removal solution. That's why we ensure the entire process is simple, efficient, and stress-free from beginning to end. Whether you're working on a home renovation, a construction site, or just tackling general junk removal, we've got the solution you need. Our team is committed to delivering exceptional service with on-time drop-offs and pickups, so your project never gets delayed. We understand that every job is unique, so we offer flexible rental options to meet your requirements. No matter the size or scope of your project, we're here to help you stay on track. We're proud to be a trusted local choice for dumpster rentals across Alexandria. Our experienced team works hard to ensure your satisfaction at every step. Salty Dog Trash stands out because we care about making your experience smooth, professional, and hassle-free. You've come to the right place if you want quick, helpful, and dependable service. Call us today at 317-660-5099 to reserve your dumpster and get started. Salty Dog Trash is dedicated to cleaning up Alexandria one dumpster at a time,